Did you know you can solve 999 squared minus 1 in just a few seconds without long multiplication? Let's see how. The secret is one of the most powerful algebra identities. A squared minus b squared equals a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Recognize this pattern, and you'll save valuable time in CAT. Here, a equals 999 and b equals 1. So, 999 squared minus 1 becomes 999 minus 1 multiplied by 999 plus 1. That simplifies to 998 multiplied by 1000. And multiplying by 1000 is easy. Just add 3 zeros. Your final answer is 9,98,000. Imagine solving this using long multiplication. It takes more time and increases the chances of mistakes. Using the algebra identity, you reach the answer in just a few simple steps. If you found this shortcut helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EduOps for more CAT 2026 tricks, shortcuts, and exam strategies. See you in the next video.